The biggest complaint people have with these tough cases, this one by Spigen, is they say that it adds so much bulk to the overall fit and feel of the phone. But if you ask me, it's less than 1/10 of an inch of added bulk to the phone, but it's like getting a brick to protect the phone itself. So one thing you got to know is the phone magnet's pretty good, but when we put it in the case, these case magnets are even better. And I mean, it just holds so much better, whether you're on one of these MagSafe magnets like this, or whether you're on one of the other MagSafe magnets that mount to a screen or to your glass. This built-in kickstand feature is pretty cool also. So if you're out somewhere and you want to set it on your desk or you're having a meal, you can sit there and actually watch the video in the horizontal mode. Doesn't work upright, but that's pretty cool. The other really good thing I like about it is when I go to the buttons. Oh my God, you can actually feel them. They feel like you're doing something on your volume button, your on-off button. All the cutouts are clean. You can absolutely still get your charging cable in here to this port without an issue. There's no bulk. Everything is exact. I'm really enjoying the feel of this case. Also, look, raised lip, so the phone is in the case. Raised lip, so the lens cover, the lens glass is in the case. That's protection. At the end of the day, 2% of the cost of the actual device itself is worth it to protect the investment.